still here. I'm at the crib, getting toasted. I'm off the dose. Mine is glowing, set the blow up from how I mold it. Never forfeit, much as clutch, how the way I close it. Taking more than I can fold, flip it, watch it close here. You might pick up on a pro tip, I got the torch. Let they want my business to reside right by where they knows it. Give my image some distortion, yeah. I come from where the floor is, top ramen bowls. I used to live off of the more, so now I get portions. Since 18 been on my loan, so my life been cordless. But then
Yes,
I learned
yes, yes.
now that's looking gorgeous. 2020 with the vision sharp and decent job to come from where the void is. Wanna cop the crib with the cash bag, get the last laugh for no mortgage. My mind spinning out of orbit, but right now I feel it so right. Flip a third finger to my old life. I can't lose, count up the blue. Spend nothing reboot, put on for the crew. It's a coup, don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot for the star. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star. I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a ride for the squad. Ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit it to the sky, change haters on a tirade. Talking to they crib in the face, be still, let that hit stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bip. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curb them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas and me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
What's going on, chat? What's going on, family? What is the word? It's your boy Abel, checking in one time for the one time, family. We are back. We are back with another phenomenal trading session, another phenomenal trading week, man. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm always excited. Every time we get the opportunity to lock in, to clock in, and make some money by pushing some buttons, we got to be grateful for that. But family, how you guys feeling in the chat, y'all? How you guys feeling in the chat? Go ahead and smash the like button if you guys are listening to my voice right now. Just do me that one favor. It takes 2 seconds to do so, not even. Go ahead and smash that likey button real quick for your boy. We're going to have another phenomenal session today, y'all. Another banger of a session today. We do got some setups forming as well that I'm going to go over with you guys in just a few. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited to see what we get here. I'm excited to see what this week presents for us as well. See, we got Tyson in the building checking in for the one-time mic free zone. My brother Saint in the building. Victoria, how are you doing? Jose, shout out to all my Gonzalez's in the building. Lewis as well. What's going on, Lewis? Hope you guys are all having a phenomenal morning, afternoon, evening. We got Marcus in the house. OTG in the building off the ground. What's up, CJ to the top? I see you. King City in the building as well. My little bro Danny in the building. What's the word, Danny? Let's see, the Dixie has hit a reversal zone. Yeah, we'll take a look at all of this. Okay, the dollar finally broke out of this range that we've been stuck in for the past week. Finally broke the range. Also took out the high of this internal structure high right here, right? We also did just take out this internal structure high, which is very, very interesting. How we react up here now is going to be very, very telling. All right, are we going to just continue to run? Or are we going to see some added supply into the market only for us to continue to roll over to the downside here, right? So we're going to be very, very cautious, very patient, because what happens today, guys, could really tell us a lot for the dollar for the next couple weeks or so, right? But this is interesting to see right now. We are currently in fresh liquidity, tapping into this imbalance. Now we got to see how the market reacts to it, right? We got to see how the market reacts and responds up in that area. But we'll keep our eyes on this stuff, guys. But overall, let's go ahead and take a look at the news really, really quickly, see what we got here in terms of news. So we are prepared because, guys, this is probably going to be one of the most hectic weeks that we've had in a little while now, right? This week is going to be full of a lot of news. So we have to be prepared to deal with a lot of volatility this week. Okay? A shit ton of volatility. Because we have a lot of big boy news events. So, let me just... Shoot, I don't care about... All right, so let's go ahead and go over this real quick, family. So tomorrow, we don't have anything at all for tomorrow, or at least nothing of major importance. Let me just double check real quick, check the medium. Yeah, we don't have anything crazy for tomorrow, or for today, I mean, whatsoever. But the fireworks, guys, do start on Tuesday. Go ahead and just look at this one more time. I want to look for the currency, bro. I hate looking at. Okay. Yeah, so let's go ahead and look at this now on Tuesday. All right, because on Tuesday is really where a lot of the fireworks really start to come in, guys. Let me... Okay, so starting off on Tuesday, guys, we have some CPI data coming out for the Australian dollar. We have Joe's job openings reports as well for the US dollar here. But the most important event on Tuesday, guys, is probably going to be these retail sales CPI release here for the Australian dollar. Also, the inflation rate as well. All right, their inflation report is also coming out as well for the Australian dollar. So Tuesday is going to be an absolutely interesting day, guys. Right now, this doesn't come out till way later on in the night, like around 10:30 p.m. Eastern, 11:30 p.m. Eastern, right before the new day. But this is going to be a very, very important event here for the Aussie. So if you guys do trade the Australian dollar, tomorrow is going to be a very interesting one with CPI, retail sales, and the inflation report coming out all at the same exact time. That market is probably going to go insane. Now, moving into Wednesday, guys, we do have Japanese news, right? We have the Bank of Japan interest rate decision coming out. They're expected to keep their interest rate at 0.1%. We also have their consumer confidence that follows that report, which is going to be interesting. As you guys, if you guys been noticing, guys, these yen pairs, man, they have really gained a lot of strength, right? The yen really did grow some balls recently. Over the past week or two, man, this thing really did gain some balls here. Look at this thing, right? A lot of strength here in the yen itself, right? We're looking at the yen basket. So this is simply just the yen currency. But yeah, this thing gained a lot of strength. Now, I'm going to be calling cap, like I always been calling cap every time we've seen a big corrective move on these yens. So I'm still going to be calling cap. I do want to see more downside for these things, which means bullish UJ, bullish GJ, bullish NJ, bullish EJ, AJ, Swiss J, all right? I do eventually want to find these things to turn back around and continue to go back into the upside, right? But depending on what happens here on Wednesday, this can change everything, right? If they do become a lot more aggressive and they start to raise interest rates again, they're not expected to as of right now. But if they were to do something crazy like that and say, you know what, let's just start raising again, then obviously these yens could continue to probably lose value. UJ could continue to drop, GJ and all the rest can probably continue to drop. But I think there's no reason for them to change. They can't get too aggressive with raising interest rates over there in Japan. You know, their economy is a lot different than ours over here. So they already have a spending problem over there, all right, in good market conditions. You know, them Japanese folks, man, I love all of them, but boy, them boys is hoarders. They do not spend money for nothing, which is a good thing. But that affects their economy, right? So it's going to be interesting to see how that comes out, guys. We'll definitely keep our eye on that for sure. Then on Wednesday, the most important day of the week, probably the most important news event of the week is going to be these Rahel, right? The Fed interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern. All right, we also have ADP non-farm employment change earlier in the day, but the big boy event, guys, is definitely the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday. We are going in at 5.5%. They're expecting it to stay at 5.5%. So we'll see how this actually does come out. If we just look at the chart, guys, in terms of interest rates, I mean, we have been trending lower, which is good news. All right, we have been trending lower here, which is good. All right, so we'll see. Again, I think there's no reason for us to change. I think we're probably going to stay at 5.5%, and I believe by September is when we still get probably our first rate cut. I mean, let's go ahead and take a look at the odds real quick, family. Right, what are the odds that we actually cut rates on Wednesday? Let's check. Let's checky. All right, so look at this, right? July 31st, 2024. This is the Fed Watch tool, just giving us the probabilities of an interest rate cut, a hike, or if it's just going to stay the same here. Now, again, this is coming from the CME group. This is the exact same exchange that we actually trade futures on, which is pretty cool too. All right, but let's look at this, guys. So look at this. There is a 95.9% chance that interest rates stay within 5.25 and 5.5%. More so than not, there is a 96% chance that interest rates stay the same on Wednesday. 96% chance. Okay? That's a massive chance. So there's essentially on a very small percentage, guys, on actual seeing a change in our interest rates coming up. But next month, see, next month, that's when things really start to get crazy, right? Next month, there's not even an option for us to stay at 5.5%. So next month, there's 100% chance that in September, 100%, listen to me close, there's 100% chance that in September, they start cutting rates here in the States, which is phenomenal news for the markets as a whole. But this is crazy. There's not even an option no more for it to stay at 5.5. Right, and data has been coming out very good. Inflation has been dropping for the most part. So they're like, you know what, September, we got to cut in September. No ifs, ands, or buts about that, right? So we know for sure, guys, September, there's going to be a rate cut. On Wednesday, there's probably no rate cut. We probably just keep it at 5.5%. All right, so that's interesting. Most important event of the entire week is probably going to be that Fed interest rate decision. Now let's go into Thursday, guys, right? We do have some data here coming out for the pound. We have PMI data coming out at 4:30 a.m. Following that, we have another very important news event, guys. We have the Bank of England interest rate decision, another interest rate decision here for a major central bank. Now they are expecting to cut to go from 5.25 down to 5%. Is that going to be the first time the Bank of England starts to cut, or is that the first cut that we've had for the Bank of England? It could be. It could be, which is going to be interesting, guys. It's definitely going to shake things up for the pound for sure, right? So be mindful of that, guys. On Thursday, we do have the Bank of England interest rate decision. We do have initial jobless claims and continuous jobless claims coming out on Thursday as well, followed by some PMI data for the U.S., which is also going to shake some things up. So Thursday is going to be volatile. And then we finish out the week, guys, with an absolute banger of a day. All right, we have non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate coming out here for the states. What I'm really going to be focused on is definitely going to be this unemployment rate. I want to see if we're going to see an uptick, right? If the unemployment rate is going to continue to tick higher now, because that's really been the trend. You know, we went from 3.5 unemployment rate to now 4.1 over the course of the last 18 months. And that's actually a pretty good sized jump right there, right? Even though, you know, the state still has historically like one of the lowest unemployment rates across the entire world, that's still not good compared to our standards, right? We typically want, you know, anywhere between 2 to 3% unemployment. If we can stay around 3%, that's usually not bad. But once we starting to get into the 4% where we're at now, 4.1, yeah, Jerome Powell got a little thinking he got to do, right? So absolute banger of a week though, guys. As you guys can tell, we have a lot of news on the table, a lot of news starting tomorrow. Today should be a very calm day today, but starting tomorrow, oh yeah, it's gonna be absolutely amazing for sure. Now I do want to make one announcement real quick, family. For all you guys that were participating in the boot camp, there has been one day that has been missing from the boot camp just because I tried to record it twice, 4 hours of my life, and both of them completely failed. But that 2-hour video, guys, right? The fundamental analysis day will be uploaded today. I will be working on that today, and I will upload it today. I'm going to make sure everything is good so I don't go through another wasted 4 hours of my life. But I am going to get you that. All right, I am going to get you that so you guys can have access to that. Now, I do also want to announce, right, that I'm going to be hosting another boot camp. All right, I'm going to be hosting another boot camp because I've gotten a shit ton of messages from a lot of you guys that are asking for Abel. Bro, I wasn't able to grab the last boot camp. How can I get into the next boot camp? Well, I am working on finalizing a date for that, guys. So if you guys are interested in signing up for my next 5-day Pro Trader boot camp, just be on the lookout. All right, over the next week or so, you should get more information, more details on how to actually go ahead and sign up for that. Now, if you want to just go ahead and grab the recordings of the last boot camp and you don't want to go live, you don't want to watch it live, then you can do that as well, right? Go right to my WAP and you can purchase the recordings right now. All right, you don't have to watch it live. There is going to be a little difference in the content. 80% of it is probably going to be very similar than what I just did recently. Now, keep in mind, guys, my first ever boot camps from 2 years ago and the ones that I'm doing now, those are completely different. Those are completely different, right? The ones that I did 2 years ago and the ones I did recently, yeah, those definitely have some changes to it for sure, right? Because my style has adjusted over the past 2 years. But if you just watched or if you just participated in the one a couple weeks ago, then the new one that I'm about to launch is going to be similar to it. 80% of it is probably going to be the same, just a few little changes here and there. But if you want access to the bootcamp, family, make sure to be aware of when the sign-up link drops. Okay? So, just wanted to make sure we put that out there. We have the next bootcamp coming up. It's going to be an absolute banger. The bootcamp does come with access to the Forex course, which is absolutely insane that I even do that. Leaving money on the table when I do that, but it's cool. All right, but let's see what else we got here, fans. Just want to make sure you guys are aware of that because I've been getting a lot of questions about that. We got Bakri in the house. What's going on, Bakri? We got Max in the building. Universal Knowledge in the house. Kevin in the building. Linda, what's up? Austin, my brother, appreciate you. What is going on? We got Die Broke in the building. We don't want to die broke, man. You're going to have to change that name, bro. You're going to have to change that name to Die Rich. What we talking about, Die Broke? What we talking about? Right? Like, we got to change that name to Die Rich, bro. That's the whole point here, right? We got to get rich or die trying, baby. Come on. Let's see. Big W for the boot campers. Absolutely. Absolutely, right? Big W's for the boot campers for sure. In fact, anybody that has gotten my boot camp, at least my most recent one, should also have access to the course as well, because that's what I told y'all, right? So if you buy the boot camp, it comes with the Forex trading course, which is an absolute steal. It's the same exact price essentially. But definitely go ahead and lock in the boot camp. You can either watch it live with me, or you could just get the recordings. Totally up to you. Totally up to you. Give me 1 second. Let me just triple check some things. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Give me 1 second. Let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, there we go. Liddy. Liddy in the city. All right, cool. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see. Aaron in the building. What's going on, Aaron? Good to see you. Mike in the house. What's up, Mike? If you set up a trust and trust owns everything, you technically dying broke. Technically, you are. Technically, you are. Technically, you're dying with literally nothing in your name, which is a a good thing. You're dying broke, but your family's still lit. Absolutely. I said, can you please resend me the boot camp link? I looked all through all my emails. Cannot find it. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, Linda. Just remind me by the end of the stream, and I got you. I'll definitely make sure you get access to that. Absolutely. Let's see. Good morning, fam. Gonna be a fun week. Yeah, Mike, is gonna be an absolute banger, man. I think it's gonna be an amazing week this week. We have a shit ton of news though on the horizon, but I think it's still gonna be a very, very solid week for the most part. And I'm excited to see what we get from it. Full show. Full show. But in the meantime, family, what are you guys looking at in the chat, man? What are we looking at in the chat today? What are you guys focused on today, family? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, or don't talk to me at all. What are we looking at in the chat, y'all? Talk to me nice. Let's see, NZD USD. Let's go take a look at New Zealand dollar real quick. What is this thing doing? Man, this thing just been falling, boy. This thing is free falling right now. What in the world? Danny, what you looking at with this? What's going on, Abdul? Good to see you back in the chat, my brother. Always good to see you in the chat, man. But Danny, what we looking at this, boy? This thing is just tanking, boy. Super, super bearish here. At least for now. For now. This thing is getting wrecked. Yeah, I mean, it's hard for me to want to, like, I know the thing that most people, when they look at something like NZD USD do, is they probably look at the support level that we're currently at right now and saying, oh man, this thing fell so hard, it has to bounce off to here. Like, it has to bounce off of here. It has to bounce like it has in the past. And to be fair, there is always that chance that it does bounce off of here, but boy, this is a lot of selling pressure. I'm not even gonna lie. That's probably the most selling pressure that we've seen on NJ, literally in a while, probably. But that is an aggressive sell-off for sure. We gotta see if or what it does at this support, but I don't know. I wouldn't want to try to just chase this falling knife here. Like, I would literally, if I'm trying to get involved, I need this to form some structure before I try to get involved. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough one. Nas and odd banks slowly collapsing. Wouldn't try to buy it. Hey, that could be it. I ain't even noticed that. I ain't know that their banks are collapsing over there, but that could be it. That really could be it, man. Let me see what we got here. Yeah, this NU is crazy. What in the world? What in the world? Family, have you guys seen what's going on over there in Venezuela? Venezuela is going crazy right now, boy. Like, no cap, Venezuela is like they legit might go through like a legit civil war out there, man. Pray for anybody out there in Venezuela, man. Yeah, it's going nuts out there. All right, let's see what else you guys are looking at though. Selling gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold sells. I mean, in order for me to want to look for sales, because I was looking out. I mean, obviously you guys know I love gold. I trade gold a lot. It's probably like majority of our trades are either on the NASDAQ, gold, or YN. Those are literally the only trades that I've taken so far. We're literally on gold, the NASDAQ, and US 30. So yeah, we love us some gold, right? But I mean, for me to want to sell this, I'm gonna really need to see us come back below this range here. Because right now, the way it's looking, this looks like it's just getting ready to continue to higher up to the 2400 range. Well, I would need this thing to turn back around somehow. And trading within this range, I know it's probably gonna be the next thing. All right, cool. So let's see how we react within the range. I'm just not a fan of trading in the middle of ranges like that. I would prefer if we were able to get back below this key level of 2388. And then at that point, I'm like, all right, yeah, see, now we're definitely gonna fall. Come target this wick over here to the left. Absolutely, easy money. But the reaction that we're getting right now is showing us, hey, you know what? We might actually go ahead and target right back up to the 2400 instead, actually. Right? We might not even see a little bit of a sell-off. But so for me, based on current price action, I kind of favor the upside here. I'm not even going to lie. I kind of favor the bullishness. But if we were to flip back below 2388, then I would be back bearish and just targeting this wick over here to the left. So that's my thoughts on gold. This thing is going nuts right now, though. This thing is going beautifully to the upside. We just got to see how it reacts and responds to this key level now. All right, I'm pretty positive we're going to at least reach the 2393 at this point. But how are we going to respond when we get there? That's the question, right? It's either we're going to push back down and retest one more time to then continue higher, in my opinion. Or we just smash this level and then just continue to drive higher, right? We turn that level into a support, and then we just go ahead and target the 2400 level. So that's what I'm looking at for gold. I want to see what the market gives us. As of now, I think the buys just look super solid here for gold, in my opinion. But I could be way wrong for sure. Now, we did just get some hour closures as well. Look at this 1 hour closure. Like, this is a 1 hour trigger line entry here. Like, look at this. These are my favorite candlestick patterns, guys, right? I've said this a lot of times, right? Look at this. This 1 hour candle. The reason why this is one of my favorite candlestick patterns is because of what the entirety of the candle did. Right? You see at one point, guys, this candle, this 1 hour candle was actually bearish. Right? Completely took out the low of the previous candle. Was bearish. Looked like it was about to push down. But then we had so much buyers in this area. We had a lot of buyers come in that took this candle that at one point took out the previous candle lows, had enough demand to now push up, engulf it, and also take out previous candle highs. So we tapped previous candle lows, took out previous candle highs, closed above previous candle highs. Yeah, I want to see more upside after that. That type of price action tells me we probably going to continue higher. All right, and I mean, when you put into the fact that we also bounce off the 50 and close above the 13, like that's literally our setup right there all day long. So yeah, this is not a bad play here. We could see a little bit of a retest back down to test the 13 period moving average again, but I think there's no reason why we don't continue to go higher here for gold. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. The one thing about it is, if we are wrong though, right? If we are wrong, and if this pattern doesn't hold, then we have to truly understand how much selling pressure there is for that not to hold. And at that point, yeah, we might as well start selling and target the wick. All right, so no matter what happens here, guys, right? Whether this does drive higher, or whether it just completely erases it and falls, like we should have an understanding of where this market truly should go after that. But I think for sure this is probably just going to continue higher. At the very least, again, just to test the 2400 level. And then possibly break that, and then yeah, I would like for this to continue to go, probably all the way up to hell, up to the 2410 if possible. All right, so if we can clear the 2400, 2410, in my opinion, will be the next solid area here for gold. But we gotta see, we gotta be patient. Now that we got this closure though, we can go to lower time frame now and wait for this entry. Right now that we got this closure, we can go to lower time frame and definitely wait for this entry. Let's see what we get here. Where in this range do we have areas of structure? Well, we have this one right here. Let's see how we play off of here. We might be able to get an entry here. All right, so we're going to keep our eyes on this gold family. In the meantime, though, what else are you guys looking at? What else are you guys looking at? We are about 30 minutes out from the open here. So let me know what else you guys looking at, family, and we can take a look at those as well. Let's see, possible downside on GJ. I mean, there's been nothing but downside on GJ. This thing been getting worked. This thing been getting worked over the past week. But you want to see more continuations to the downside. Honestly, I'm not opposed to that, right? Like, I do eventually believe these will turn around. Right? I do eventually believe these will eventually find some steam. But, like, it's kind of hard to say it's going to happen now, right? So I'm not opposed to staying with this momentum that we're currently experiencing until proven otherwise, right? So I'm not opposed to that whatsoever. Now, how can I get involved, though, right? If I wanted to actually get involved in this, though, how can I do so? Well, I'm going to highlight just a few key levels. And on a break of some of these levels can tell us a lot, right? Like right now, we're currently just testing in this key level right here, right? But if GJ does flip bearish, right? If it does flip bearish and we're able to close back below this 197.55, I think a close below there can definitely produce more downside for sure. Like, I wouldn't be opposed to that at all. Right, maybe even saying the damn sell stop. Targets, I mean, stops above the high, target the lows. I wouldn't be opposed to this. I wouldn't be opposed to this at all. All right, but the reason why I would like to play the sell stop instead of just taking the trade right now is because technically we just created a high, right? So I want to see us actually show some signs of weakness here. Yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to that. If we can get a close below the 50, right, the moving average here, the 50 period moving average on the 15, close below the 13 will be even better. But a close below these levels, guys, I'm telling y'all, this is probably going to continue to drop here in my opinion. So that's not bad. That's not bad whatsoever. I think we could definitely see that occur. I mean, this thing's already starting to drop, but all right, let's see what else we got here. NAS tanking, but we'll probably pull back. Yeah, let's take a look at indices, man. What are we doing here for indices? Well, how y'all feeling today? How are you guys feeling today, indices? What are y'all talking about today? Let me see. Let's see what we got. And shout out to all you guys that are with me this morning, by the way, family. Shout out to you guys once again. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Go ahead and smash that like button if you don't mind. If you don't mind supporting the channel, definitely go ahead and smash that like button real quick. All right, now let's take a look at NASDAQ, man. Again, these things have been falling pretty aggressively as well. Now, I am a fan of buying indices. As you guys know, I've said this a bunch of times. I really don't like selling indices for the most part. I will if I have to, right? If like that's what's really showing, then obviously I will. But I really just like buying these things up. So what I'm gonna be keeping my eye on for today, guys, right, is how we react, and we essentially react and respond to these two levels that we're currently trapped in between, right? Because we're currently in between this level of structure, 19,234s, and the high at 19,340s. I want to lean towards bullishness, but I wouldn't be surprised if we actually did start to fall. So if we do take out this low, then I will be looking for more continuations. to the downside. Then we could just target all these lows that were left behind. But if we're able to hold this level, we bounce off, and then we start going higher, then obviously a break back above 19,336, I'm buying all day long. And honestly, if we can get a buy here, we might be able to hold for a little while too. Because we did fall pretty hard. Whenever we do find a low in the support, I think this is really going to run. But the reason why I'm kind of favoring more sells than I am buys is because I feel like this low needs to be tested again. I don't think we're actually going to fully go bullish until we develop and build more structure and grab more of these sell side liquidity levels. So I want to see this thing fall off just so that we can build more structure, and then from that point go ahead and turn around and start to fly, if that's what the market truly wants to do. So we'll see what happens. We shall see how this NASDAQ plays out in the open here. We shall see how this plays off. Let's see what else we got here. GJ been playing around. Yeah. We got Tony in the building. What's going on? Shrem in the house as well. Kyrie, what's the word? Appreciate y'all. My brother Matt in the building. What's the word, Matt? Waiting for the match strat to pop out. My brother Drew in the house. What's the word? Shout out to you, Isaiah, T. Patton. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the family. Welcome, at least welcome to the stream. Today's stream. Appreciate y'all so much. Yeah, let's see what we get here, guys, on the NASDAQ, man. I'm very interested to see what we get here for sure. We got my guy Lamar in the building. Kevin, what's the word? Appreciate y'all for being here, y'all. All right, so we are getting some tests here on gold. I'm telling you, we might be able to grab some depending on how this continues to play here. Boom. Honestly, you could just take the buy. Stops below the low. Stops below the low. And deal with it. What we doing, gold? You starting to push already, buddy? You starting to push already? Yeah, this gold is starting to push now. You really gonna start the gold? Is that how you're feeling? You start the gold? That's how y'all feeling? I didn't even mean to jump in there. Hold on. Yeah, gold continues to hold this low at 23.90s on the futures pricing. I'm telling you, this is probably gonna pop here. Probably going to pop here. Let's see. Yeah, go about to run. I'm telling y'all, go about to run. Go about to run. Talk to me nice. Yeah, I'm the roll of the dice. Number the knife. Look at the gold in the mic. Yeah, gold is gone. See, we would already smashed our 20-point TP right there. Gold is going crazy. They're lazy. Let's see, Abel about to be my liquidity. Fuel the fire. Hey, man. Somebody gotta be liquidity, right? Somebody gotta be liquidity. I mean, Roman, what are you looking at, Roman? You looking at sales? Let me see. You looking at sales on gold? What are you thinking? What are you thinking, Roman? Because this thing is going, boy. It's already up 27 points. Already up 27 pointers. Let's see, Nas is tanking. Yeah, I want these two, to be honest with you. Even though I'm a fan of buying NASDAQ and indices as a whole, I think these do have to clear some more liquidity, bro. Like, I don't know. These could just go higher, but I think these levels gotta just be cleared first. Like, I'm not a fan of leaving this trend line behind like this. I'm not a fan of leaving the trend line behind. It could, but more times than not, boy, we see a massive liquidation of that, and then we get the bigger move back to the upside. But hey, man, all my trend line traders, man, y'all might have a play here. I'll bounce off the trend line. I don't trade that way personally. I'm not a fan of it. I just feel like there's too much manipulation that happens out around it. But there's people that make a lot of money trading trend lines, man. So I'm not even mad at it. Let's see. In UK sells. UK 100. Let's see. He said the UK 100 sells. Yeah, I mean, listen, hopefully the NASDAQ. I mean, you're in the UK 100 sells. I don't even know if the UK 100 is moving similar to the NASDAQ, and it's not. I was about to say, like, the UK 100 is definitely a little different than the NAS 100, so make sure you are trading the correct thing, Tyson. If you are trading the UK 100, boy, then go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. I hope it falls for you. But that's definitely different than the NAS 100 for sure. Completely different pricing. Let's see, I've been in sell since 2400. Sheesh. Since 24? Oh man, we about to go tap that. We about to go tap that, brother. In my opinion, there's no way we don't tap the 2400. I could be wrong though. But this thing is moving. Gold is definitely looking nice. It's just a matter of seeing if we could break this level now. All right, we are testing a key level at 2393, but hey man, talk to me nice, Goldilocks. Talk to us nice. Let's see what you get. Let's see, I'm in that 1 hour OB. Next hour retest. Okay, what you talking about, Matt? Are you talking about for gold or are you talking about for something else? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Let's see, got tapped into gold at 23.92. Previous hour candle closure up a few pennies. Okay. Okay, 23.92. Yeah. Kind of wish we would have just took the stab down here when we retested back at these levels, 23.90s. That would have been nice. We'd be up around 32 points. We are about to get this 15-minute closure though. 15-minute closure right at this key level for gold. Not a fan of that. We could push right back down here. But this level right here is holding. We gotta see how we gotta get above that level for this to continue. This level could be a pain in the ass and continue to push us lower, but we gotta see how this plays out. 15-minute candle about to close in 5 seconds here. Let me take a spin, see how these 15-minute candles are looking. Yeah, the S&P is falling. NASDAQ as well looks pretty interesting. US 30 also looks interesting. Hey, you never know, but we might get a 15-minute trigger line entry here too on the NASDAQ on the close. That could be interesting. Again, I really think we could fall, but we gotta play price action at the end of the day. All right, let's see. Gold, what we looking like? Yeah, gold is chilling for now. I still like it. The dollar's still holding up pretty well. We finally are in fresh liquidity above this range that we've been in for the past week. Now it's just a matter of seeing how we react above these levels here. All right, what is gold gonna do? Huh, Goldilocks? What you about to do, Goldilocks? Are you just gonna continue to drive higher? Or are you now gonna come back within the range and start to fall? I would prefer this. I would prefer for you to come back in the range now that we're in fresh liquidity and start to fall, but just because I would prefer it don't mean a damn thing. These markets don't care about what I prefer. But we are trading in fresh liquidity now, so interesting stuff here for the dollar. We'll see how this continues to play out the rest of the session. We shall see. Let's see, in gold, okay, I think it pushed up to 2409.5. You think it pushes up to 2409.5? I think so too. 2409. Yeah, I mean, I would like to target the 2420. I mean, not 2420, but the 2410, 2411, 2412 area. Like, if we can get an entry longer term, I mean, it's not even longer term, but like a nice target could definitely be up there. I think I'm a big fan of that. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we doing here, Gold. See, trying to push back down a little bit. But talk to me nice. What are you trying to do here? Let's see, this is some sex music. What? This is sex music, bro? This is the type of shit you listen to during your time of intimacy? Word? That's crazy if that's what you consider a sex song, bro. See, what I consider a song like that is something like this. This was a banger back in the day. Stay woke. Yo, Roman, you are crazy, Roman. I'm not even gonna lie. This guy, Roman, it's not. Yo, bro, what? Nah, that's dumb funny, bro. I was trying to keep composure, bro, but that's hilarious. Like, what? How is that that type of music, bro? Some wine, chill beats making. Yeah, man. Nah, bro. What put you on, bro? Play this song, bro. This song right here was one of my go-tos. Stay woke. It's a classic though. See, you don't. This is some baby music. This is some baby making music right now. In fact, I think one of my kids were made to this song. It's a little bit too much information, ain't it? I apologize if it's too TMI, too much info. Let's lock back in with trading. This guy Roman over here. Time and time again. Sing it, Omarion. Come on, boy. Change your life. Y'all young bucks know about this. Wanna get involved. Wanna get them draws. Y'all don't know about this music right here, man. Respect, but I want it bad as they do. You see the difference, Roman? Roman, you see the difference, Roman? Oh, look at the high notes. Just wanna get it down. Just when it's going down. Oh, I'm telling you, I might have made my oldest to this song. I'm dead ass serious. Girl, I just want in the morning, in the night. Come on now, baby. Y'all don't know about this song right here, man. I don't know what Roman was talking about, y'all, that last song. Hey, we're ready to make another baby. All because of you, Roman. It's all because of you, bro. You over here talking about some house music and some baby music. What? That would be crazy. Because I'm young and I'm ready. Y'all know about that song right there, boy. I don't even know, Roman. Are you even old enough to even know this song, bro? Oh, then you even enough to even know this song, Roman. Gold is gonna give birth to bodies. What a way to start the Monday. I'm telling y'all, man. What's going on, Cassandra? Good to see you back in the chat, man. Piece of history right there. Yo, I be going dummy this Kodak. See, y'all, bro, see. Y'all be trying to, like, really kill somebody, bro. Y'all young bucks, man. Y'all young bucks need to learn the art of patience. Y'all need to learn the art of patience and slowing shit down, boy. Made me turn this into a whole sex ed education for y'all. Y'all be too aggressive nowadays, boy. all the way to Z. Nah, this song is crazy, boy. I put this song on in front of my wife. She might look at me a little certain way. We might have to end stream. I ain't gonna lie. This is my favorite part right here, though. If you know this part, you can sing it. I'm still waiting here, still watching, family. We're about 8 minutes out from the open here. And just say, Nah, this song is wild. This song is wild, boy. Oh my god. This might be Omarion's top song, cause I don't care. In the morning, he said no flocking. Oh my god. They're crazy, Cassandra. They are crazy, bro. Learn a few tricks from the grandpa. Nah, calling me grandpa's wild. Get in here, say, oh, when the, Nah, that's, yo, see, now y'all got me going in my playlist. Now y'all gonna have me playing a Throwback Thursday for y'all. Y'all gonna really, nah, I'm not even gonna do that. Let's lock back in. Let's lock back in, family. Let's go back to Roman type of music. Baby making music. Let's lock back in here, family. Let's see, better to play Mario Nintendo tracks. Let's go. Y'all young bucks, man, just super aggressive, boy. I swear, y'all are. Imagine, yeah, nah, we not that. That's crazy to imagine. Yeah, nah, they crazy. Save it for post at FC. I'm telling y'all, bro. How about that new Tory? Yeah, we played the new Tory on Friday, man. Shout out to Tory, man. Absolute banger. Absolute banger, man. Listen, I'm a big fan of Tory, bro. I feel like Tory is easily one of the greatest artists of our generation, of the last generation, honestly, of any generation. I truly believe Tory really is one of the most talented musicians, lyricists, producers, because he makes a lot of his own beats. Like, this dude is super talented, bro. It's unfortunate he went through a situation, but he really is absolutely next level. And for him now to be dropping records right out of prison and still having crazy quality, like, that's nuts, bro. You gotta really give respect for that. You gotta have to respect that for sure. They wouldn't know anything about Jodeci. Oh, nah, what? They probably never even heard of Jodeci. They probably never heard of Jodeci, Tank. I mean, they might have known Genuine, because Genuine was a little bit more mainstream than the other ones, you could say, but they don't know about none of them, man. They don't know about Casey and JoJo. They don't know about a lot of people, I'm telling y'all. Said Tory the real Six God. Hey, man. Where are you from, Abel? I'm originally from New York. Born and raised in New York. Upstate New York, though. Not the city. Because whenever I say I'm from New York, people instantly think, oh, what borough? Right now, I'm from upstate. Near Albany. That's where I'm from. But I've been living in North Carolina the past 6 years. Let's see. Barry White for the ladies? Crazy thing is, I know of Barry White, but I don't think I've listened to any of his stuff. I might be tripping. Let's see, Free Tory, bro did not shoot Meg. Hey, man. I don't want to breathe, Kodak. Yo, this gold is going crazy, fam. I don't know if any of y'all were able to get into this again, but we retested this 2390 once again a couple times, and now this thing is pushing again. We are about 5 minutes from the open here. 5 minutes from the open. The S&P is just tanking right now, boy. NASDAQ, too. I mean, all indices are falling right now before the open, so we'll see how that plays out. We'll see what happens here. Let's see, Keith Sweat. They don't know about Keith Sweat. Nah, Moving Mountains. Yo, see, now, Lewis, now you bringing back some bangers, bro. Moving Mountains was another one that was really one of them ones, man. Nothing elevated me in the first place. Yeah, Moving Mountains was banger. Say, hey, you taking it back? Absolutely, bro. These young boys don't... Listen, man. Any... born in the 2000s, if you were born in the 2000s, I got love and trust me, I want y'all to win. But y'all young bucks got a lot to learn, man. Y'all young bucks got a lot to learn, man. I'm telling you. Y'all young bucks, man. Y'all gotta learn the art of patience, communication, being gentle. Yeah. Listen, there's a reason why. Nah, I'm not even gonna get into that. I'm about to go crazy. Not even gonna get into that. Let's see. Syracuse. Okay, Victoria, you not that far from where I'm from. Yeah, I'm from Schenectady, New York. The big Schenectady, the big 518. But most people never heard of Schenectady ever in their life. How many of you guys have ever heard of Schenectady, New York? Let's be honest. Probably not many of y'all ever heard of Schenectady, New York. That's why I say I'm from Albany, because everybody heard of Albany. But Albany's like 15 minutes out. You said die in New York. That's crazy. What part of NC? If I can, you could, Jaden, you can ask anything. Jaden, this is a safe place, and I want everybody to be know. First of all, Jaden, welcome to the family, bro. Good to see you in the chat. This is a safe place for all of us, family. There is not one question that you guys cannot ask. Now, I have the ability to answer it or not, but ask every question that comes to your mind, family. Please, when it comes to this, it don't matter what it is, definitely go ahead and ask those questions for sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, let me see what you guys talk about. But I am in Raleigh, all right? So I'm in Raleigh. You being in Newborn, you're not too far. You know, it's crazy. I actually did an event in Newborn like 2 years ago. I did an event out there with a bunch of trader friends that I have out there. Shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guys out there. Honestly, I forgot the name of one person. My fault. Yo, but shout out. Yeah, I did an event out there like 2 years ago. We were out there for like a whole weekend. And then after we were done with the events, we went to some breakfast spot, boy, that we went to like every single morning. It was crazy. Could have been just Cracker Barrel, but it hit different or something. I don't know. But shout out to Newborn, man. Let's see, family. We are about a minute out from the open here. We'll see what happens on the open. In Wilmington, originally from Jersey. Yeah, Wilmington, man. I gotta go out to Wilmington, right? That's near the beach. I haven't been to like the coastline yet of North Carolina, and I definitely want to make my way out there. The closest was when I had a different event. I had a different event at the one of the military bases out there. It wasn't on the military base, but it was obviously around it for a bunch of military people. But it was like 4 years ago. Yeah, I did an event for a whole bunch of military people back like 4 years. It was a little while ago. Yeah, so good times, man. Good times. Let's see why the old head's so emotional. Because y'all don't know that Ryan Leslie. They don't know about Ryan Leslie. Listen, you still look young, Abel. How old is you? I'm 37 near 4. Shout out to you, Daniel. I'm technically 33. I said technically. I'm 33 right now. Which is kind of crazy because I could still pass for like 24, 25, 26. So I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm 33. But if somebody asks y'all what my age is, be honest. Like tell them I'm 26. We good. Let's see. I went to Albany State. Love that area. Okay. Yeah. I like that. How about some Bobby V? Bobby V was fire, fam. All right, we do got the open here, guys. Let's see what happens here on the open. Gold pushed down, but now it's spiking up immediately on the open. What's Indices doing? Indices are still falling here on the open, man. These things are starting off very bearish over the past couple hours here. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here now. Let's see what we get here. These things are starting off falling. US 30 is tanking right now. S&P is tanking. NASDAQ is tanking. They're all tanking right now. All right, so now that they're tanking, let's identify these key levels. Looking at the NASDAQ here and see what we can actually play. We do have this level of structure right here at 19,230s. How are we going to react there? If that level doesn't hold, then we have this other level a little bit lower at 19,100s. And we'll see how that plays off. If it makes sense for us just to look for sells, guys, and that's probably what we might have to do here, but we'll keep our eyes on this for sure. Again, we're at some key levels here now. So, like for example, right? If this level right here that I highlighted, this zone, if it does hold, right, we can set the buy stop right above this candle high. Now the stop loss is going to be a little bit wider because it's still got to go below wherever this low forms. But if this can hold right here, I think we could flip bullish and truly start driving here. So let's see what happens here. Again, you guys will know, family, when I actually take a trade because it'll be literally on the screen. You guys will be able to see everything. My stops, my take profits. You'll be able to see how much I'm floating. You'll be able to see everything when I take the actual trade. But you guys will know. Let's see. Yeah, but back to Bobby V, man. Bobby Valentino's also he's a savage, man. I'm a big fan of Bobby V. Let's see. Do we have anything from Bobby V that we could bump real quick?
It's like whatever I do.
Yeah, nah, this moving mountains is insane. I can't even play this. This might make me cry.
I'm never gonna tell you nothing wrong.
That might make me cry. Nah, I can't play that song. See, this right here this is probably one of my favorite Bobby V songs. Honestly, probably his most popular song, to be honest with you. All right, Indices. See, now look at Indices flip up here. Look at this. I don't know. Looking for a special lady to save me, baby. I'll never be satisfied. How do I even know this lyrics still, bro? I haven't heard this song in like 20 years, bro. Are you so hard to find? I took one step, I took two back. How do I even remember this, bro? That's crazy. And I know that be the perfect match. So where you at? As I just gotta. Let's see. US 30 is still tanking here. The S&P is still falling pretty hard here. The NASDAQ is holding this key level of support though. I gotta know your name, your name, your name. Why you gotta be anonymous? Think that much. See, y'all young bucks don't know about this. I'm gonna be one of us. I'm gonna have to fly New Jersey to show you how gentle I am. Yo, Roman, bro, you are hilarious, bro. Let's see. Don't know about that Mary Jane 401. They will definitely know about that 401, bro. That's for sure. He said, shout out to my guy Nick, man. He said me, but my wife is from Amsterdam. Yeah, that makes sense. Y'all some 518 folks too, man. At least your wife is. We need an Abel podcast. An Abel podcast would be crazy. I definitely thought about it, but your town sounds sketchy with that name. Yeah. Let's see. Taking the match strap buy on YM for science. Okay. I mean, this thing is still falling though. I'm waiting for the Matt Strat to show himself. Like, Matt is over here trying to hog all the trades now. Let's see, living in Brooklyn, New York my whole life, never heard of Schenectady. Yo, it's funny how you spelled it. Schenectady. Gabriel. Shout out to you guys out there in Canada, man. You 2 hours from me, Abel? Yeah, New Bern isn't that far. Or at least Wilmington isn't that far, at least. I think that's where you're from. Shout out to Janoy. See, we got another 518er in the building. See, Janoy knows where Schenectady is. Like, if you from the 518, you know where my city's from. Let's see, Wrightsville and Carolina Beach is cool. I gotta go to the coast, bro. I definitely gotta bring the fam out there. Abel, you been to Lake Norman planning a fall trip? I have never been to Lake Norman. Where is that? In South Carolina? Oh, in North Carolina? It's the largest man-made body of fresh water in North Carolina. Sheesh. Nah, I never been there yet. I gotta know. How old is Skag? Skag's like the same age as me, or close to me. We're like 1 year apart. Said we should link up if in the RDU. Hey, listen, I'm here, baby. I ain't going nowhere. I'm here in Raleigh. If we have enough people in North Carolina in the Triangle area, or are willing to travel, we can always do some stuff in person. You see, NASDAQ, what's the market doing? Yeah, markets are just chilling right now, family. I mean, indices look like they want to just continue to fall here. Yeah, indices look like they want to continue to fall. I mean, the NASDAQ could still flip bullish here, though. I'm going to set the buy stop It's gonna be a little bit of a risky play here, but I'm gonna set the buy stop. I don't want to put it directly on that support like I did last time and got screwed. In case this thing flips up. And I hate when it's anonymous. I can't risk too much though, because how big the stop loss will be though. Like I'm not able to put too much on this though. Like only 3 contracts, and this is trading the E-mini micros. I'm gonna set it, but I ain't even mean it. I meant to set the buy stop, bro, not to take the trade. All right, so I am technically in this position because I accidentally clicked market execution, but I wanted to set the buy stop because I wanted to take it if we actually closed above the highs. But hey, man, I'm gonna keep my eyes on this over the next couple minutes though, because I don't want to stay in this if it doesn't. Because again, I wanted to buy stop so that we can clear significant levels of structure. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold that. I'm gonna get out. I want to set the buy stop because I want to make sure that we clear this level of resistance first. Make sure we clear the resistance, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, y'all don't know about this song right here, neither, family. Yeah. Yeah. I just want to get to know you. Turn around. All right, so we are now in this, family. We did get triggered here. We did get triggered on this NAS buy. Now we just hold our position. Truthfully, I don't want my stop to be all the way at the lows, because if this thing does come all the way back down, it's probably just going to run. So I'm going to adjust my stop a little bit just to the candle still. Just the current 5-minute candle below that. And yeah, we let this play out now. All right, let's see what we got here, though. He said, how you going to say be honest and tell us to say 26? Yeah, now that anonymous goes crazy, Ninja. Let's see, he took partials on NAS. Let's go, man. First chat W. Let's go, chat. I just want to get to know you. NASDAQ is up 20 points. So I'm going to roll my stop loss to break even down. The NASDAQ is pushing. Bro. Damn, I had just one break even. Well, I got hit at break even here, family. Hey, I got hit at break even that quick. I ain't even get to take partials. Well, let's wait for the next setup. This thing is still probably gonna drive though, bro. What's the rest of the market doing here? Oh yeah, the S&P back within this range. Yeah, these things are gonna run, family. In my opinion, of course. These things are getting ready to run, in my opinion. I just want to get to know you. Girl, turn around. US 30, what you about to do? I just want to get to know you. Bro, what other am I in? Yeah, US 30 looks like it might start pushing up here. Oh, we're trying to monitor all this stuff, and there's like a lot of shit happening right now. It seems like NASDAQ is flipping. Like this thing is still probably going to continue higher, in my opinion. The S&P is getting ready to run. US 30 is also, in my opinion, getting a run. Gold came back down to retest, man. Listen, gold is giving another entry here, family. Gold is giving another opportunity here. I still like the upside on gold as well. Matter of fact, this gold is probably what we're going to have to just take. Let me see. We're going to have to just take this gold ski and just deal with the consequences, either a win or a loss. But you guys see this 23.93 really been holding strong, bro. It should have been kicking gold's butt so far. I'm going to set the buy stop above gold here, because if this flips back bullish, I want to be in it. I've been using heavy buy stops lately, family. A lot of buy stops, bro. Just makes it so easier, in my opinion. But yeah, we're going to set the buy stop above here, above current 5-minute high. We got the buy stop above current 5-minute high. If this does flip back bullish here, we want to be in this, because I think there's going to be an easy drive up to 2400s here. So first trade on the NASDAQ, it went 20 points, but turned back around just as quick. Got hit at break even on that. Second trade here on gold, we set the buy stop. There is no top wick here on the 5-minute candle as well, so we have to create this top wick. So this should flip back bullish here to create that top wick, and then hopefully it just drives after that. Like hopefully we just drive to 2400, and then we can go ahead and drive all the way up to 2412, 2410. That'll be nice. But let's be patient here. Let's be patient here. I'm so curious, yeah. Come on, gold. Flip up. Flip up, gold. Flip up, gold. Talk to us nice. All right, let me see what you guys are talking about now. You guys are going crazy. Roll NAS down, secure 700. Come on now. Let me start giving y'all your shout-outs. Let's go, Kyrie. That's what I'm talking about. Why do you place your buy stop above current price and above the lower key level? That's a good question, right? I mean, buy stops have to go above price. Like a buy stop wouldn't even be able to be set unless it's above price. All right, so that's for one. All right, buy stops have to go above current price, or else if it's a buy, it will be a buy limit, and a buy limit is expecting you think it's gonna fall, right? So that's number one. The buy stop has to go above current price. Number two, I also want to make sure it's above the major level of structure, because it could come flip bullish, hit us, but because we're at a major level of resistance, it's still not drive how we want, right? So for me, this buy stop, I really should put it above all these supports, but I really just want to put it above current candle. But we have this resistance, right? I'm running the risk of us getting hit, but then still respecting resistance, and now I'm sitting in drawdown, right? So that's typically why I like to run it a little bit wider. All right, come on, gold. What we about to do? You dig? That's a strong close on the 5-minute, gold. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a strong close, but now I need you to erase that. Now I need you to erase that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. What's the rest of the market doing here? Yeah, see, the rest of the market is turning around nicely. NASDAQ, oh my God, nasty. Nas did, but it hit me out before it did. Sheesh. Nas definitely did, family. Hopefully some of y'all still in that, man. The S&P turned around nicely. The NASDAQ turned around nicely. US 30 turned around now. Come on now. Now we need gold. What are you about to do, gold? Like, gold is like my last hope now. Now I need gold to just start running too here. Come on, gold. Talk to us nice, baby. Treat us nicely. Let's see. He said, yeah, science experiment failed, so I inverted the equation. Nah, that's hilarious. That is hilarious. You want to listen to this? Let's see. What's Sky's skin routine to look so young? That's a good question. You gotta ask him. I don't know that much. All right. Let's see. What's your risk strategy approach? That's another good question, Maximilian. right? So it depends on if I'm trading a personal account or a prop firm account. Obviously, when I'm trading a prop firm account, I honestly made adjustments to it. Normally, I was obviously risking, just like everybody else, right? Risking a percent or two, maybe less than a percent to try to pass. But because we're trading futures prop firms account and futures prop firms account are so freaking cheap, I'm like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go heavy, right? I think I'm gonna go a little bit heavier, right? Because I'd rather try to pass this thing immediately in a couple days or two, maybe a week, and pass, than to continue to try to prolong it. All right, so now I'm comfortable risking a hefty amount. I don't know exactly how much, but I'm comfortable risking a hefty amount if needed. You know, if the max drawdown is, let's say, 2,500, which is what these 50Ks are, I'm comfortable risking $1,000 on the trade because I'm trying to pass, right? I don't want to continue to sit on these for mad long, right? They're only $40 a count, so I really don't want to sit on this. I'd rather try to risk it all, pass immediately, because you can pass in one day here on Apex, than to try to just hold it. Like, nah, I'm trying to pass this shit, bro. So I want to pass it. If I fail, then I just buy another one. So that's my risk management now. But that is completely different than how I manage my personal account and how I manage prop firm funds, right, when I'm actually funded. Then at that point, I obviously treat it with a lot more respect. Odyssey was going to school at you all, met Abel playing flag football, found out he was a part of the IMF family, forever locked in. Yeah, absolutely. Shout out to you, my brother Will, man. Will, we got to link up, bro. We got to link up one of these days, bro. For sure. Locked in a stack on NAS? Oh my God, you guys are going crazy. This song making me feel a type of way. I need a baddie. Yeah. You want some Jay Holiday? Oh yeah, you bringing it back. You definitely bringing it back, talking about some Jay Holiday bad. Like this song right here. Just passed 2 more 50Ks. Julius, talk to him nice, Julius. Let's go. Come on now. Took my 500 from Nas. Come on now. You guys are eating, baby. You guys are eating. I just need gold to flip bullish here. Come on, gold. Flip up so I can eat, man. Come on, gold. Flip bullish so we can eat. I need you to hold this support and then flip up here. I don't think gold will fly just yet. I don't know. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't know if it is neither. This could continue to drop. I don't think it does, but I think it still very well could if it wanted to. I'm just waiting for the flip, though. The flip, then I'll get in. Let's see. 1,300 on NAS. Oh, my God. Mr. Mike Clausen in the building. Let's go. Mr. Barcode himself. Let's go. Come on now. Did y'all watch Trump speak at the Bitcoin conference? I did not watch. I watched bits and pieces. I watched bits and pieces, but I did not watch the entire thing at all. I did not watch the entire thing at all, though. I watched bits and pieces that went viral. Abel, does it make sense to buy 2 accounts, set one at a buy and one at a sell? Whichever wins, repeat that on the live account. You're guaranteed to win. All you risk was the $40 account. I mean, that is a strategy that some people use. And I think I would say it's okay on the challenge, but once you're live, it's probably not going to be as easy as you think on the live account, right? Because the concept is the same, right? You're setting a buy stop and a sell stop. Buy stop above the range, sell stop below the range, or not even sell. You just take a buy and a sell right there and then. And if one runs, obviously one will pass, one will probably fail. So I understand that, but when doing it on a live account, when you're funded, I don't know if that's the best strategy, to be honest with you. But to get funded, hey, do what you got to do, Gabriel. All while training like a degenerate. Yeah, do what you got to do, Gabriel. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I don't think I'll do it during the funded, though. I wouldn't want to risk a funded account on that. Let's see. His real name is Scagolius Optimus Maximilius Prophetess. I like the name Prophetess. Prophetess is actually fire. Hold on. I might change that to my name. Prophetess. Call me Prophetess for now on. I'm trying to turn you up and turn you over. This is over. It's the first time I'm gonna put you to bed. Nah, this song is old as hell, boy. Come on, Gold. You gonna flip up now? You gonna finally start to break out, Gold? Come on. Come on, Gold. Somebody say, everybody say. Come on, Gold. Flip. Flip and run the high. Run to break the range. Come on. I got faith in you. I don't know if this slow music is helping our trades or not, family. How you guys feel about the slow music, man? Y'all liking the slow jams or y'all like the hyped up stuff? Let me know in the chat, man. Y'all do got Mr. DJ Profito in the building here. DJ Prophetess. Oh, nah, I see. Listen, I'm gonna put it right now. If we have anybody that's under the age of 18, exit door left. Because this song right here gets crazy. Anybody that is not of age, exit stage left. Because this song gets crazy. Hands, no jeans. Listen, if you watching with your girl right now, or your wife, or your significant other, like Drew, if Mel's with you, boy, and this ain't getting y'all in the mood, y'all playing, bro. My chamber too. It's gonna be a bumpy road. Where when we make love all night, girl, yeah, this that shit right there. Come on now. This that shit right here. It's a damn Abel trying to have another 3 kids. Listen, if it's up to me, I'm trying to have 20. I need a football team. He said, plus we Caribbean, that don't stir the pot. Yo. He said we Caribbean, that don't stir the pot. To be honest, this is how a lot of y'all were made. If we being honest, a lot of you young bucks were made to this song. Stay woke. A lot of y'all was made to this song. I don't care what y'all saying. Make sure y'all cap spips first. Facts. That's the most important thing, Kyrie. We still gotta get to the bag, man. We gotta get to the bag to provide for all these kids we all about to have. We need 20 TPs too. If you go hit 20 more kids, I'm telling you, we gotta pay for these little boogers. Great thing is, this song is literally as old as some people. All right, we're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna change it up a little bit. A lot of kids were made from Genuine and Pony. That's a fact. That's another one. That's another classic baby maker. Walking in about a mile away. Listen, if you ever watch me in IM, y'all heard this song a million times. I used to bump this song every day on stream. I've been running crazy ever since it went down. City High, what would you do? That you're gonna find out. They only love you right now. And lead them Broadway girls alone. Yeah, Max, you was there when I was playing this for sure. I used to play this song every day, bro, on stream, bro. Every day. This one, I used to play Tyrone's song, Shahida. I always finesse and see with a Morgan and know that I rap. Some of y'all probably never even heard this song. What a shame. Couldn't be me. The trenches love me forever. They treat me like Ed. Yo. 20. Yo, that's hilarious, bro. Hold on. He said 20 years from now, they gonna say a lot of y'all kids was made to Sexy Red. Oh my God. Yo. Ain't no way. Yo. Imagine that, bro. Oh my God, bro. What? Like, that's crazy. 20 years, they gonna say a lot of y'all kids was made to sexy red, boy. Yo, nah, why is that so funny, bro? Yo, I'm literally in tears, bro. Nah. Oh my God, that would be so funny, bro. That is a crazy thought, though. Like, think about that, bro. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Yo. Nah. Oh my God, you guys are hilarious, bro. Oh, nah. Yo, the biggest 4L, bro. That was hilarious, bro. You literally got me in tears over here. Because I could see that. No cap. A whole bunch of ratchet babies coming up. Oh my God, that was hilarious, bro. Let's see. You was there for them days, Michael? Okay, yeah. That was a banger I used to play all the time. Broadway girls alone. I used to play mad songs, actually, but those are like my go-tos. Wow, it's crazy. This playlist knows me so well. This is another song I used to play all the time over there, too. Another banger. I was flipping between this song and Broadway Girls. I'm a very coming song. Come on, come on, come on, Gold. We waiting for you to flip up, baby. Come on. We know you want it. I mean, the 1 hour still don't seem too bad here, though. 1 hour still don't seem bad. It looks like we're just testing the 1 hour engulfing. We're about to close like this. That's not too bad. I can still see us driving. Come on. What's the rest of the market doing? Indices? Indices are still trying to push here. I mean, US 30 is trying to push back up here now. Where you gonna want me? Where you don't want me? I'm in San Francisco. Yeah, I'm in. Dollar's still gaining strength here as well. Dollar is still pushing up here within this range. Peru, Peru, para. Slow down, I'm in a rush. In your ears. Alright, so I only took one trade so far today. It was a break even. Literally hit break even super quick. We do have a buy stop set here at the top of the range for gold. If we flip up, I want to make sure that I get involved in this. In my life, I'm ready in this right here. If you won't see me, when you won't see. All right, we're about to get an hour closure, fam. We're about to get a 10 o'clock candle. Let's see. Gold should drive now. Come on, Joe. Flip up here. Come on, Gold. Drive up now, baby. Honestly, I'm tempted just to take the buy right now off Gold. That's how confident I am in this. I'm going to take all this. So, you know what? I'm going to keep my buy stop at the top of the range. I'm going to keep my buy stop at the top of the range, but I need this to flip now. Come on. Come on, Gold. Show us some. Show us some, Gold. Come on, are you gonna flip up or no? Are you gonna flip up or no? Come on, if you close back up, if you close back above 2390, I'm in there. If you close back above 2390 Gold on futures pricing, I'm in there, bro. You just gotta show me some though. Come on, show me some. Show me some, baby. I know you want to go higher. In my opinion, you want to go higher. Come on. Show me some. If you keep dropping, that's cool. I'm not in you either way, but like I really prefer for you to flip up so we can get into the trade, though. If I don't get into this trade, family, then it be like that. So be it. But let's see how this continues to play out here. Kids looking like Kodak. Let's see. Big Sean going to year for 10 years. Going to jail for 10 years with his mom? That's crazy. Let's see. Even when I'm with you, I want to level up. You're so gentle. Yo, Roman, what is up with you, bro? What is up with you, bro? Let's see, you hear Lil Wayne's verse? Absolutely. I'm telling y'all, fair. There isn't a song. I mean, there is a lot of songs though, but like I actually have that song already in my playlist. Let me bring it up. Let me bring it up. Come on, you know I ain't playing that. Like that verse, that Wheezy song with Corday, it sound like old school Wheezy. It sound like Wheezy back. It sound like Wheezy back. Let's see, go better, do some. Hey, we just gotta be patient here. I know it's gonna flip up, Tom. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna drive up. It's just a matter of being patient. We are in the Idiocracy. Back to the Future Biff timeline. Yep. Let's see, did we just see a new 4-hour candles? For some assets, yeah. Like for currencies, you've seen it. For gold, you've seen it for sure. Whoa. For gold, we've seen the 4-hour closure. He said, I'm at a rope and not having the chick by my side, making me feel otherwise. Hey, yo, Roman, bro, you are hilarious, bro. Let's see, Christian, bearish gold. Hey, Christian, I think you said you were selling. Once somebody said they were selling gold, hopefully y'all still eating. I'm not in anything anyway, so I'm not upset if gold does fall and you win, because I'm not in it. That Lil Wayne No Ceilings is a classic. The whole No Ceilings series was crazy. Pulled out 525 after making a small loss. Let's go, Aaron. Let's go. He said I got my buy stop at 23.95. Yeah, right above the range. That's not a bad play. Make sure that we actually break the range. It's not a bad play. Christian said I'm in at 23.95 though. So Christian is selling from up here. So if Christian does get hit at break even, then that means our buy could get triggered. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Let's see, still like YM cells. Oh, is that the match strat? Is that the match strat coming out? Come on now. Talk to me nice. Yeah, US 30 is pushing right now. The NASDAQ is still holding pretty well up top. The S&P looks like it's starting to push back up as well here. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Close a little bit higher. Close a little bit higher. Come on. If you close higher, I'm just taking you right now and then. Right then and there. Yeah, if it closes like this, fam, I'm just going to take the buy right here and then just deal with it. The fake ass. Alright, yeah, I just took the buy here, guys. I just took the buy on gold. I took it buy on the close of the 5-minute candle back above this range, but also above the moving averages here. I'm gonna remove the buy stop, and now we just let this play out. I am in this buy on gold, family, just so you guys know. I'm risking like 350 bucks on this trade, so not much at all. Nah, he went crazy. Sheesh, Wheezy. Sheesh, Wheezy. Sheesh. Taking YM cells. I might take it with you. Nah, I'm in this gold. I'm just gonna ride out this gold. Let's see if we're gonna start off the week with an actual winner or loss, family. Last week I think we started off with a loss too, but we ended the week with a banger. Like, this is the results, family, that we've been having so far. Out of 16 trades, 5 losses out of 16 trades. It's not bad. Not bad. We'll take that. Wherever I was the freeway, the day. Hey, freeway. What in the world? Yeah, Roman's on one today. Roman's on one today. I don't know what's going on with Roman today. He needs to go do some stand-up at this point because he's hilarious. All right, let me go ahead and just set up. Let me go actually document this setup real quick, family. This trade real quick. Eeny, miny, mo. Let the guy go. We can go from right here. This is fine. All right, so we're risking 39 to go for 100. All right, we'll say the 29. That was a 10 o'clock trader. A buy. MGC. New York. Buy at markets. We did 10. Target 100. Risking 39. Results. Excited for the week, man. My emotions before, I'm chilling, man. I'm relaxed. You know me. Relaxed. Playing the 1 hour OB retest and break. Alright. There we go. We got that. We got that. Let's see. Oh, we profit too. Let's go, gold. Good flip back up, baby. I like that. D-way. D-day. A. D-way. You say you drunk? I don't even think Roman's old enough to get drunk. Roman, Roman, you young. How old are you, Roman? What, you like just turned 21, 22, 23? Like you a young buck. You a 2000 baby, huh, Roman? No offense to all my 2000 babies, but you young bucks, man. About to be 26, still a young buck. So you were born in 90, 98, 99? It's not bad. It's not too bad. You just beat the cut. Disrespect to the 2000s baby is crazy. Listen, I got love for all of y'all, man. My life is a movie, ain't no. Let's see, YM up 40 points already. Sheesh. Let's see, I be tripping though, because holding gold since Asia last night. Hey, man. Hopefully you, yeah, I mean, this thing did absolutely nothing yesterday, but hopefully you at least stayed in profit instead of drawdown. What happened? What happened? Oh, you had took the 1 minute OB? Is that what you had took? You had took the 1 minute OB, Matt? I indicated the 3 minute play too. Okay, NASDAQ is pushing down as well now. Now these markets are starting to turn back around. Honestly, I hate when the markets do this because this usually leads to more choppiness. Dr. Bitches. Ain't no acting, no. I still like the upside though. I still like the buys on NASDAQ still, for sure. Let's see, can you tell us what you think about what you think we don't know about the Forex market? Can you tell us what you think we don't know about the Forex markets? What you don't know about the Forex markets, huh? That's actually an interesting question. That's a very interesting question. Tell us something that we don't know about the Forex market. That's a good question, bro. I think you guys pretty much know damn near everything, to be honest with you. But that's a good ass question, Kevin. I'm gonna have to think about that because I want to give you guys some actual real sauce on that. Oh, gold is dripping. What are you doing, gold? What you doing, Goldilocks? What you doing, Goldilocks? Hey, walking in the field, I feel right. Let's see, This could be your podcast start. Listen, I thought about it. Like, I was supposed to do I was supposed to do a podcast with a few different groups. All right, obviously we thought about the Prophet Society podcast. I also had a few other people that I was supposed to do a podcast with. One local here in North Carolina, but so I'm not opposed to it, man. The thing about me, if I'm gonna do a podcast, for one, I don't want to do it by myself because I need to have somebody else that I can create dialogue with. But I also want to make sure that the person that I'm doing it with is actually up to par, bro. Like, the people that I've had the ability to do podcasts with, I just did not trust them, bro. Like, I need somebody that's for one, like, super smart, educational, but also is also very entertaining. Like, in order for a podcast to go crazy, guys, like, it really has to be like a special strategy to it, right? It's not like you just start uploading things and they go viral, right? Like, there has to be a whole production team behind it if you want to do it the right way. So, hey man, let's see what's up. I'm down too. Oh yeah, let's play our song then. Let's play this Coach I'm Red. Honestly, now that I think about it, we could have just kept the buy stop, but I liked it how we closed. I was hoping that we had more follow through. We did not get more follow through on this close at all, which is why I'm now sitting in a little bit of drawdown. Good thing I didn't risk much though. Like, this is probably gonna be one of my smaller losses, which is cool, which I'm fine with. Full show, absolutely.
We haven't even entered into a trade yet. Are you serious? Oh man, I can't do this.
Coach I'm Red. How you red? Coach I'm Red. Coach I'm Red. Coach I'm Red. TB smash. Let's go, Matt. Golly, boy. Oh yeah, that thing just fell nicely. Look at that. Holy moly. Quick 90 points to the face. Yeah. While you eating, I'm sitting in drawdown. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on now. 1,300. Let's go. What the vision I'm gonna do? I'm gonna the home. You get it on live. Going live. Yeah. Let's go. I pulled out as it was dipping. Not a bad idea. You know, you can always get back in if anything. I'm just gonna hold my. I'm gonna take the L like a champ, family. Like I told y'all, man, we gotta be okay with taking wins, but we also gotta learn how to take losses like champs, man. I mean, y'all done seen me take a bunch of losses. Does it ever change my mood? No. Does it ever influence my decision moving forward? No. That's how we gotta approach it, right? Just like we want to take wins like champs, we gotta take these losses like champions too. So I'm okay with taking this loss if it happens. Like, at all. I'm okay. Let's see. Quick question. You sent to day 5 of the boot camp. Yeah, all of it is in the WAP, right? All the boot camp videos, besides day 2, which I'm doing today, is all in the WAP, right? So if you log into your WAP, right where you see my Forex course, you should now also see the 5-day boot camp videos as well. But day 5 was definitely sent out though and uploaded. Let's see. You know I can control a room, Abel, and I can get along with all demographics. I'm hood enough for the hood and intellectual enough for the smart crowd. I'm not gonna lie, Renee, you would be a dope person to do it with, bro. Let's see. Locked myself at the top step. Love that feature. Let's go, Matt. Way to be disciplined, bro. That's a W for discipline right there, baby. Come on now. Christian with the 4K day. Holy moly. And crazy thing is, Christian is selling gold right now, too. Let's go, Christian. So you over there eating while I'm over here crying. I love it. You eating and I'm crying. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I love that shit, bro. Keep that shit up. All right, family. I'm about to take this L right here on gold. There's no way it doesn't stop me out. So I'm about to take this L on gold. Let me go ahead and just start documenting this shit. Emotions. No change in emotions for me. Y'all know I'm still chilling. Trade just reversed when I want it to continue higher. Coach, I'm red. Coach, I'm red. Look, I already got my notes set up for this loss, so now I just need the market to actually hit me out, and then we good to go. Now we can look for the next setup. Let's see what else the market doing. Indices did a complete. These markets might be choppy. These markets are super choppy right now, family. Look at US 30. Look at the NASDAQ. I mean, US 30 is doing a little something better, but like we really are just stuck in these chops. Look at this. Stuck in the chop. Stuck in the chop. Stuck in the chop. Stuck in the chop. Now, there's still opportunity in the chop. There's still plenty of opportunity in the chop. But now that I think about it, guys, with so much news this week, these markets might be super choppy this week. In fact, I mean, markets are always choppy. Like, the markets consolidate, guys, 70% of the time, they're literally doing nothing, just going sideways, right? 70% of the time. But since we have a lot of freaking news coming up, a lot of news, I wouldn't be surprised if they're even more choppy. No cap. All right, so I did officially get hit out. Let me just go ahead and look at my stats real quick for this. Let me look at my stats for this real quick. $100 racks. 100 racks. Yeah, I didn't lose that much, actually. Let's go. We'll take that. We'll take that all day. We will take that all day. We are going a little backwards, though. I'll tell you that much. We are going backwards right now. This was negative 420. We're going a little backwards, family. We still in profit, but we're going a little backwards. It's all good. We're going to get it back, though. Y'all know how we operate. All right, so now we have updated results from today. It is what it is. Let's go ahead and log back in and see what we got here. Indices, man, might be super choppy for today, but again, the chop isn't a deal breaker. We still might be able to do some. Gold, on the other hand, man, gold is going to piss me off if this flip back around. You might as well continue to drop now, gold. Don't do me like that, buddy. What's the 1 hour looking like still? See, the 1 hour still look like it could go up, though. The 1 hour on gold still look like it could go up. 100 racks. 100 racks. I'm going to keep my eyes on this gold, man. I ain't going to quit on gold just yet. I'm going to see what we get here. Because on the 1 hour, this still looks pretty solid on the one. It could still very much drive higher here. I mean, what are we looking at, though, fam? How you guys feeling today? Besides me, I'm down for the day. Down for the week. How else you guys feeling? Let me see. Let's see. Say Less coming down to NC this weekend. I'm in Richmond right now. Yeah, you're not that far, bro, at all. You're like a couple hours away, maybe 3. Ramen on the menu tonight, Jose. We definitely stuck with ramen today for sure. We definitely stuck on ramen for sure today. Let's see. Hop back in. YM. Hey, man. Hopefully that goes for you, bro. I'm going to need... These markets are a little too choppy for me. At this point, I want to play the extremes. If we come back down to the lows, might look for the buy. The highs might look for the sell. I mean, US 30 doesn't look too bad, though. US 30 can still flip up off of here. We are testing a very interesting level of structure, so... US 30 could flip. Could continue higher. Let's see. All right, Matt. Have a good day, my brother. Do you trade during March Madness? Yeah, we trade during everything. All right, we trade. As long as the markets are open, we're going to be actively showing up, looking for opportunities, looking for positions to take. As long as the markets are open, we here, baby. Let's see. Still in gold? I'm out. Yeah, I'm out personally. Nas pushing buy pressure. I mean, it's trying. It's trying. Let's see. What up? Woke up hella late. Antonio, welcome to the chat, my brother. I mean, you waking up late could be a good thing or a bad thing, right? If you're taking your own trades, it could be a good thing because you could be up. If you looked at the trade that I just took, then you probably would have been down with me because we both down right now. At least I'm down for the day so far. But I'm still actively watching this, right? I want to see what the hell are you guys about to do next? Like, what is your guys' thought process? Gold, indices. Like, y'all just stuck in the chop right now. Super choppy. I'm gonna tell you guys this much, family. I swear, we're either gonna pass or we're gonna blow this account this week. Because, I mean, that's how I'm feeling, right? It's either we're gonna pass or we're gonna blow this account this week. I don't know. I'll let y'all know, though. We'll see. 'Cause I really want to hurry up and pass that. so we can hurry up and get to the funded account. DJ make it drip. Drip. What we doing here, gold? What we doing here, gold? D-Lo make it drip. D-Lo make it drip. D-Lo, D-Lo, D-Lo. Drip, drip. Talk to me nice. Gold is trading in the range. Yeah, everything is. A lot of things are in the range. Gold is in the range. Indices are in the range. What are foreign currencies doing? The euro's falling. The pound is chilling. Aussie's falling. Yen is falling. Swiss franc is falling. So all foreign currencies though are falling pretty nicely. So those could have been easy setups if we would have took those. Gold is chilling though on the other hand. Or not gold, but GJ. Or not GJ, but the pound. Okay. Talk to me nice, price. Talk to me nice. Come on. I ain't going outside like that. I mean, we did get a close below this 23.88 here. Gold could drive a little bit lower, but if we do close back above the range, I might take that. I ain't gonna lie. I might take it. They love make it drip. We did get a 1 minute OB here. We did get a little 1 minute OB here. This will be a $200 risk. See, I like the buys, bro, but we're like right at this level of structure right here. I like the buys, I just don't like where it's forming at. Like, we did take out some support. We grabbed into fresh liquidity. So this could flip up. We did get a 1 minute engulfing supported by volume. D-Lo make it drip. D-Lo make it drip. D-Lo make it drip. See, coming back in the range though for gold is interesting. Let's see, like the buys, don't like the knives. Facts. Yeah, that's hilarious. L on NAS for the day, kindly in towards just wait until Wednesday. Monday loss ratio seems to be pretty high. Hey, yo, Jonathan, I love that you're looking at data though, bro. Like, let that data dictate what you do, bro. Like, that's very, very important. Let the data dictate what you want to do or what you should do. Not want to do, but what you should do. Absolutely, bro. That's why I typically don't trade on Fridays, man. Like, Fridays are usually bad for me. I'm not a fan of trading on Fridays for that reason. All right, so we did get another 5 minute engulfing back above structure. This is going to be my last trade of the day right here, family. I am going to take this buy here, or I set the buy limit at least, but this is going to be my last trade of the day, man. This one don't work out, I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm done. The only reason why I'm cool with this because the first trade wasn't even that big of a loss. We lost 380. This one I'm only risking 100, 200. But I like the rebound that we've seen. Hopefully this can drive. Hopefully this support can now hold. If I lose on this, boy, I am finished. I'm going to take about to go do something to make me happy. Need to make that a meme. Could you explain OB, please? Yeah, OB is just short for order block. An order block. That is all that stands for. It is an order block. OB, order block. Now, what is an order block? Well, there's different variations depending on who you ask. They might have different definitions of it. All right. What we like to look at, or how I use order blocks in terms of entries, is just simply just an engulfing pattern that's in fresh liquidity, supported by volume. An engulfing pattern in fresh liquidity, supported by volume. For an example, this 1 minute engulfing is just that. A 1 minute engulfing. Okay. fresh liquidity because we just took out this low. We took out this low. We didn't take out the external low though. Honestly, like we really could. Externally is a lot better, but we took out some lows, flipped as an engulfing. The volume for the current engulfing candle is higher than the previous. That's all we typically want. That is what we consider a live OB. Typically, it has to be either internal range liquidity swept or external range liquidity is swept though. We gotta see that liquidity sweep though. Something either internally or externally. That is like a part of the OB concept though. TCLS. Yeah, she got it. She got it. Facts. 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 Yeah. Talk about it. Get paid. Yeah. Boy, we do got some stuff we got to get through, though. We got a lot of resistance we got to get through, though. We got a lot of resistance to get through. We are currently up around 10 points, nothing too crazy. She got it, she got it. BC, bank, roll. Come on, Gold. Talk to us nice, Gold. What we doing, Gold? Talk to us nice, Gold. Come on, keep going. Get above 23.91. If you can get above 23.91, that would be phenomenal news for us. See a work of art. See a work of art. Yeah, our 20 points is up here. On bank rolls. She touch it. On. Come on, go. What we doing, baby? On bank rolls. She got it. She got it. She got it. All I ever wanted was to make up with you. Come on, you gotta flip back up, Gold. Don't do that. Don't do that, Gold. I don't like that you flip back below the range the way you did, buddy. I'm not a fan of how you flipped it below the range right here. I'm not a fan of how you just flip like that. Do it for my queen. Yeah, I don't like how you flip back bearish like that. And I ain't gonna lie to you, Gold. It might be just a horrible day for me today, family. Depending on how this plays out, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna close out, family. It's gonna be it for me today, man. I'm not even gonna let it go all. I don't like how we close back below the 5. So I'm chilling. That was another wasn't much though at all. Wins forever. All I wanted was to make Let me see what we got here. Yeah, so that was only $100 loss. Yeah, I got out that quick, boy. Got out of that quick. All right, so that's where we're at. Yeah, family, I'm chilling, man. I'm calling it after that, man. I'm calling it. Bad day for your boy. Didn't lose much. I lost like my average anyway, so it's not too bad of a deal. This gold, man, just didn't want to turn around for us, bro. Gold did not want to turn around. It just remained super choppy. That's what really killed us, right? Just the fact that we're in this range. Like we were not able to do anything. We did absolutely nothing today whatsoever. Literally stuck in this range since Asian session, and that's kind of what like screwed us. But hey, man, it is what it is, family. You guys know we don't let that stuff affect us or bother us or deter us from doing what the hell we got to do. We still got to show up either way and do what we got to do. You know what I'm saying? But either way, though, family, it is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Hopefully tomorrow can present us some different opportunities. Now, tomorrow, guys, is the start of news, though, right? We got a lot of news starting tomorrow. A lot of news on the horizon. This entire week, guys, is full of news. So we're going to have plenty of opportunity to make a bag this week, for sure, because we're trading with volatility and around high volatile times of the day. So we're gonna come back prepared tomorrow, family. It is what it is. Listen, man, love you guys. Appreciate y'all. Christian said don't do it. I wish I would have seen that a little earlier. He went against what's been working. Should have kept that stop above the highs. That's a fact, Renee. I could have avoided 2 losses if I just left the stop above the highs. Hey, man. We got to take these learning lessons, guys, and grow from it. All right? We got to take these learning lessons and grow from it. I could have saved $500 if I just left my buy stop above the high playing the buy stops. But it happens, man. It happens. You say you still got to get that W with your 2-mile run? That's a fact. I do got to get this run. Crazy thing, I was supposed to do it this morning, but I woke up a little late this morning. But I am about to go for this run as well. Try to run off these 2 L's so we can come back tomorrow refreshed. As you guys see, guys, remember I tell you guys all the time, right? The biggest thing I want you guys to take from these sessions is not the wins or the losses or the setups. It's my emotions and how I handle myself. Right? My emotions don't change. I'm still excited just like I was in the morning, no matter the wins or the losses. That's how you become a profitable trader. But family, man, listen, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for participating with me today, being entertained with me today. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place, to do it all over again. So, family, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all, man. If y'all need me, check the Discord, because I'll be in there talking my ish if y'all need it. All right, y'all. Have a great rest of y'all day, family. Love y'all. Let's get it.